guys, how's it going? I'm sure a lot of you have worked with these ratchet straps probably once or twice in your life. These tend to be a pain, especially when it's your first time messing with them. It was my first time messing with it when this happened. I'll explain here in a second. When you first start using a ratchet strap, they're a little bit tough to learn and figure out how to use. When I first started using ratchet straps, this was a few years ago, and this has been like this now for a few years. I always thought when you start with a strap, you start all the way at the end and ratchet on it until it gets down to how tight it is from that hook. I was miserably wrong, and now this is to the point where I can't get this strap off of here. So we're going to see if we can take this thing apart and figure it out, see how it works. I'm guessing this right here is how you take it apart. And I saw one on this side, it looks like. So it looks pretty simple. So we're going to see if we can get this apart, get this out of here, this strap, then I'll have another ratchet I can use. I got that pin to bend. So hopefully I don't want to come out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pull this side through. I don't know if it's going to work. If it doesn't, we're going to have to take this pin out too, probably. Yeah, I thought so. Do that real quick. Get this pin out. Got this pin bent as well. The next question I have is, how is it going to go back together? Is it going to be easy or is it going to be a pain? There we go. Now it's out all the way. So these both come apart, I guess. I'm a hope. And then I think once these come out, actually, wait a minute. Will this come off? I think these are two different pieces. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I thought so. See? Those are two different pieces. How is this going to go back together though? Is it going to be easy or a pain? Probably don't even need to tear it apart, honestly, all the way. You could probably just take these two pieces out of it and get them to want to come out. I don't know what all you guys can see. I'm going to hope you can see everything. I'm going to try to get this to... There's one. There. Oh shit. Well, we just lost a whole bunch of stuff, but there we go. It's been a little while since we've worked on this video that we're in right now, but a couple of days later, the other day was my birthday, so I kind of laid off for the day. I was out here, but I wasn't filming. And then it's been pretty cold. It's been in the single digits and 0. So I kind of stayed in the heated house and kept busy in was stuff that needed done inside instead of out here. Got this taken apart in the last video. I can't remember exactly what we did, but I think we're where we were at. We had this taken apart. Oh, the battery died on me. That's why I stopped. So we can go on ahead and get this guy put back together now, if I can remember how it goes together. It's warm out, so I've got the door open for anybody wondering. I think that is how it goes together. I can't remember how this thing went. I think, however, these right here, what were these? I think I see. There. Ooh, I think I just figured it out. Look at that. Maybe I have that on backwards. Huh. Weird. Okay. What do you guys see? There. I figured I was not in the camera. I don't remember how this goes on here, which is not good. This was something. And I'm looking at this to see if, I think it went like this. I think. I don't know if it did. No, it's definitely not how it went. That's not neither. No. I bet you it went on this way. Oh, yeah, I see what it looks like. That looks... No. I don't want to look at another one, but we might have to. I know this is cheating, and cheating's not the answer, but I went and grabbed a different one so we can look at it. Okay, that piece right there is the one we were just trying to figure out where it went. And that's followed by... I don't see that washer. Okay. This piece here goes on bottom. Like that, right? No. Wait a minute. Okay. That goes there. But which way? Does it go like that? Where's the other one? There it is. I feel like it needs to... Alright. So it's okay. So we've got it where it needs to be right now, it looks like. Hold on a minute. Yeah. No, we don't. We got it facing the wrong way. Right? No, we had it facing the right way. Okay. Right there. That's how it should be. Then the gear goes on top. Like that. That don't seem right to me. I feel like we're missing something. Then on top of that goes this. What am I missing? I don't want to take this apart. Ah, I see. That's what. This needs to go down a little bit. It's on a, there. See, like that. Now, okay, I see what we did now. That just needed to go down a little bit. So, okay, I see it now. But we got to figure out what that washer was that I just dropped. All right. It's right there. Awesome. So what was this washer? It didn't go under this pin. It didn't go right there. I have no idea. I guess we can put it somewhere, and if it works, but if it doesn't, then I almost feel like it goes underneath of this. Right there. I think that's how it goes. That's how I'm going to say it goes for now. And then put that there. No, that can't be how that goes. That goes like this. At least I think. Which way? So that's like that. First off, we got the gear facing. I can't tell. I won't sit still. The gear. God damn it. That's on wrong. Okay, let's just. Okay. This will make it a hell of a lot easier to do. There. There we go. So now, this guy goes in first. Damn it. Well, I don't know where that washer goes. I need to figure out where that washer goes. This goes here. Like so. What would you guys say if I just completely left that out? I could go back and watch the video, but I don't want to do that. I can't tell where it is on this one. I don't see it, which really makes me wonder. It's obviously got to be. Unless that's it, right? No. That's that piece. Unless this one's been apart before too. I don't know. I feel like it's just a spacer or something. It looks almost like a spacer. I don't even think it's a washer. But it could be. I know you're all probably watching this video and telling me where it's supposed to go. You just watched me take it apart. I didn't. I'm kind of in the feature right now. Okay. Right there is where it goes to lock. So I want it there. No, damn it. I'm not gonna let. I caught that. Come on. There we go. We're gonna get this side done somewhat and put together. That way I can. Well, I was doing some messing with it and it didn't do nothing. So I took a look at it and I looked at our little test dummy over here. I have one gear going this way, the other gear going that way. I think one of my gears is in backwards. Oops. It's a good thing I never bended those clips. So luckily, we can get them to, I don't know if we can get it to. Got this little ratchet taken care of. I went and I bent the pins. This is probably the best one of the two. This one's just kind of bent enough. I couldn't really get a good hit on this one, so I bent it a little bit. It's kind of bent enough, so, and it works. Come on. So, try tightening something with it, I guess, and see how it does. I guess for shits and giggles, we've got this here, and we got that there. Run a strap between the two and try it out. What do you guys think? It'll work? I don't have very much hope for it, but maybe we'll get lucky. You want it out this way. That's the way I think it's supposed to go. Come on, what are you stuck on? There we go. Yeah, see, now I know how to do it compared to back when I didn't. I would have started all the way at the end if I didn't know what I was doing. What do you think? I was going around that plastic handle? Yeah, definitely not. I don't want to scratch the paint. I guess you're lucky. I don't want to hook up to this. This is just plastic. That'll rip right off. I don't want to hook to that. Is there anywhere up here we can hook at? Damn. Well, I might have got lucky. Oh, there we go. We can hook up right there. Just don't get in its way. Let's try that. Awesome. Definitely works. Cool. Awesome. Okay. I think that's going to be it for this video. We tested it, made sure it worked. It seems like it works, so that's good. I want to thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'm sure you could probably do a better job at fixing this than what I did. I just kind of wanted to make a video out of it. I don't know. just to show something different than engine repairs or, you know, something like that. Which, I guess you could consider this different. And maybe somebody's got a ratchet strap they don't know how to take apart. They're trying to figure out how to get it apart. So, get this. Hopefully this video helped somebody. Like I said, I want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I have seen the views go up, so I really want to thank you guys for that. And I will see you all in the next video, and that should be it. 87% of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed, so please consider hitting that subscribe button. It tells YouTube I exist and I do a good job at making videos. I must be doing a good job because I noticed the views are going up. So again, I do really want to thank you guys for that. I'm going to go ahead and get off here. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless, and that's it.